Portfolio Kings. Today I'm going to be showing you 5 stocks that are setting up for a nice move to the upside in the coming days. All of these stocks are showing a strong technical setup, and I'll be going over exactly what we see and how we can measure what is potentially on its way. Stay tuned until the end to learn more about how we will be trading these setups. First stock we'll be looking at is UPS. You can see that after a positive earnings report, the stock dumped nearly $10 lower, creating a very large gap on a daily time frame. Since then, we have seen a series of higher lows but consistent highs. This resembles an ascending triangle pattern, and as we can see, the price broke out today. We can expect follow through to the upside, and we can use the gap as our first profit target. Holding a tight stop loss will make this trade statistically efficient, as ascending triangles will reach the classic target 70% of the time. The next stock we'll be looking at is Kirkland's Incorporated. With a positive earnings report, the stock jumped nicely and is currently attempting to break a cluster of the 200 exponential moving average and the 233 simple moving average. A breakout of this resistance will allow us to target the next key level around $25 per share. The MACD histogram and the RSI both flashed a bullish divergence prior to this jump. Carrier Global Corporation is the next ticker on our list, and this one is showing some natural price action after breaking into new all-time highs. The backtest of the breakpoint is a nice indication that resistance is turning into support and that we might see some buying coming in soon. Using Fibonacci extensions of the pullback range will allow us to get simple price targets for the future. The 1.618 level is a high probability target, while the 2.0 level will offer a better risk profile. Another fresh all-time high print can be found on the Costco chart. Today's candle was a gap into uncharted territory and held up relatively well. We can use the same measurement technique to generate some price targets, and we should not be surprised to see a backtest of all-time highs as we did on Carrier Global. Finally, we can look at Tattooed Chef. Here we see a breakout of a downsloping trend line. The price action here resembles a descending triangle, which will reach the classic price target 64% of the time. We can use the 1.0 Fibonacci extension as a classic target. We can use the 1.618 as a second target if we can break all-time highs. So here we are on the probability analysis. You can see for Tattooed Chef, for the middle of October, there's around a 50% chance of reaching our target. This is a nice confirmation of our technical setup, and this is only factoring in using the options data. Here we are looking at Costco, and our target was 466.5. So giving it until the end of September, we have around a 60% chance of success. For Carrier Global, we set our price target around $60. And this would give us a higher than 60% chance of success if we can target by January. Looking at December, this lowers it a little bit to 55, and October will lower it much closer to 50% probability. Our target for Kirkland is not unreasonable, and given January expiration, offers around a 30% probability of success. Our UPS target at 207.5 will have approximately a 50% probability given the October expiration. If you enjoyed this type of analysis, please make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with all our content. Thanks. Have a great day.